In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Semrush Writing Assistant. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this tool can be a game changer for enhancing your writing's SEO performance and overall quality. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Semrush website. Open your preferred web browser and simply type in semrush.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a login option at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that and enter your credentials to access your Semrush account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account to continue. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Semrush dashboard. This is the hub for all the tools and features Semrush offers. For today, we're focusing on the SEO Writing Assistant, so look over to the left-hand menu and locate the SEO section. This menu is your gateway to various SEO tools, but for now, click on Content Ideas, and then select SEO Writing Assistant from the drop-down options. Now that you're in the SEO Writing Assistant, you have the option to start a new project. You can either type your content directly into the tool or import existing text from the web. This flexibility allows you to work with content at any stage of development. Once your text is loaded, Semrush will begin analyzing it immediately. Here's where the magic happens. The Writing Assistant provides a multitude of features to enhance your text. Under the Smart Writer section, you'll find tools like the Rephraser, which can help you improve sentence structure, the Compose feature for content expansion, and even an AI assistant for generating new ideas. Adjust the readability settings to match your audience's level, and choose target keywords to optimize your SEO. The tool also allows you to set a tone of voice to ensure consistency across your content. At the top of the tool's interface, you'll see a scoring system that rates your content's readability, SEO optimization, originality, and tone of voice. These scores provide valuable feedback and guidance on how to refine your writing further. It's important to aim for high scores in these areas to ensure your content is both engaging and search engine friendly. As you make adjustments, watch how these scores change. This real-time feedback is incredibly useful for iterative improvements. By following these steps and utilizing the insights provided by the Semrush Writing Assistant, you'll be well on your way to crafting content that not only resonates with your audience, but also ranks well in search engine results. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the Semrush Writing Assistant. With practice, you'll find this tool indispensable for elevating your content strategy. Thanks for watching and happy writing!